Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Girls, as you know that we are doing our grammar part of this semester. So this is the second essay that we will talk about, and the topic of the essay is punctuality. Punctuality means being on time, and you can say that punctuality is the characteristic of being able to complete a required task or fulfill the task before or at a previously designated time. You can say the fact of arriving or doing something or happening at the expected or correct time, and which is not late. This is punctuality. So there is much importance of being punctual in life. Being punctual not only makes you dependable, but also helps you to build your self-confidence. For example, when people depend on you and give you more tasks to do, you know that they have placed trust in you, and this will build your self-confidence. And the other importance of being punctual is that it also makes us realize the importance of time. And the person who is punctual, who is on time always, he will always know how to respect their time and others as well. So punctuality has a deeper importance in our lives, especially in a student's life. So let's start reading the text. Punctuality means arriving or doing things at the appointed time, neither early nor late. This means that if you, the beauty of a thing is that you do it on its accurate time, neither early nor late. Punctuality is the secret of success in life. All successful people in the world are known to be punctual. Therefore, in order to live a meaningful life, one must make the best use of time. I have used very easy words in all this text. I hope you have understood what it is written there. If a student is conscious about the value of punctuality, he should complete his homework and prepare his lessons in due time. Students, do you think that if you have been given a test to prepare today, and if you will not prepare it today and you think in your mind that you will do it maybe 2 days after or maybe on the next weekend, do you think it will helpful? No, it won't help you. You have to complete the task within that time span. This is the beauty of that task, or the beauty of the action, or the beauty of understanding the importance of punctuality. He must get up early in the morning, take his meal in due time, and attend school punctually. Punctuality plays a vital role in one's life. Yes, you see, even the nature is playing everything so punctually. The sun rises in the east at its accurate time, perfect time, and it sets down on its given time. Similarly, it never happens that a day stays more than its perfect or its given time. No, days and nights are changing their duties, their timings, according to their given task, according to their given limit. So everything around us is circulating and moving in a certain way. So this is how nature is telling us, making us learn to be punctual. I hope you have understood the topic, punctuality, and the importance of being punctual. This is all about the essay today, and you are going to write it on your notebooks.